No distractions, just clear instructions. In the first step, open settings, sounds, lower the volume. After that, open settings, Bluetooth switch off. After that, open settings, notifications, turn off unneeded alerts. In the next step, open settings, battery, turn on low power mode. Later, open settings, display and brightness, reduce brightness. Next, open settings, background app refresh, change to Wi-Fi or turn off. In the next step, open settings, Wi-Fi turn off if not in use. Next, open settings, cellular disable if using Wi-Fi. After that, open settings, personal hotspot turn off. In the next step, use the official charger and cable. After that, plug straight into a wall outlet. Avoid extensions. Now, make sure charging port is clean and free of dust. In the next step, close apps not in use in the background. Then avoid gaming or streaming while charging. After that, turn on airplane A mode to speed up charging. You are good to go.